Hi, good morning. I'm Brinda from Travelfika. I'd like to talk to you regarding a travel portal, Travelfika. Travelfika is a all-inclusive platform for all your travel needs, hotel, flights, and experience. If, I just would like to walk you through our website. Currently, whatever we are building, our travel solutions, deals, and we are across India and US right now. I would like to walk you through some of our key features and the problem we are currently solving. As I said before, Travelfika is an integrated platform for your travel needs, primarily focusing on flights, hotel, and experience. Why we are here? We are planning out solutions that would help you to travel on budget. Feel it before you go through our VR solutions, and we are using AI for price prediction before we could given the best solution for our customers. We are making sure the travel is easier and travel planning is easier through our packaging solutions that we are planning to offer. And we are also building our own VR company that other companies could work together with us for it. Thank you.